Imagine it's 2 a.m. and your phone explodes with alerts. Customer data's moving where it shouldn't. You jump in, people ping you in 5 different chats, logs are a mess, and 20 minutes later, you're still asking, who's owning containment? That chaos? That's not just a hack. That's a process problem. Today I'm breaking down how to improve security operations by treating it like a system you can tune. Breach then fix opener. Now the fix. Step 1. Map the path. Take a real incident, phishing, malware, cloud misconfig, whatever happens the most. Draw the journey from alert to lessons learned. Who gets paged? What tool kicks off the case? Where do approvals stall? Put names on swim lanes, define owners, and write the definition of done for detect. Triage, contain, eradicate, recover, review. If it's not written, it's improv. Step 2. Measure what matters. Track MTTD, MTTR, false positive rate, alert to case conversion, containment, start time, playbook, adherence. Use leading indicators too. How long to enrich an alert, % automated steps, detection coverage against your top attack techniques. If a metric can't drive a decision, it's trivia. Step 3. Standardize the response. Build playbooks with crisp triggers, severity definitions, decision trees, and who approves what. Turn them into runbooks inside your case tool or SOAR, so steps are checkable, time-stamped, and repeatable. Version them. Retire the ones nobody uses. Step 4. Eliminate toil. Automate enrichment. IP domain reputation, user context, asset criticality. Before a human even looks. Deduplicate identical alerts, batch similar ones, and auto close known good noise with documented criteria. Push fixes upstream. Better detections reduce downstream chaos. Every manual copy-paste is a bug to fix. Step 5. Make learning non-optional. Do blameless post-incident reviews within 5 business days. Capture the timeline, root causes, and exactly 3 to 5 actions with owners and due dates. Feed changes into playbooks, detections, and training. No action items? Then it was entertainment, not improvement. Step 6. Close the loop with data. Tag tickets by technique and control gap. Send feedback to detection engineering. Missed X due to Y. New rule Z deployed on date T. Maintain a living coverage map so you can say, we cover these tactics at these layers. Step 7. Practice on purpose. Run monthly tabletop drills and quarterly live exercises. Include off-hours paging, comms, and exec updates. Add 1 constraint each time, like a dead VPN or a missing approver, so the muscle builds where it's weak. Step 8. Scale the humans. Tier your analysts, route by severity, and publish SLOs. Keep a searchable knowledge base of past cases. Use ChatOps for one channel of truth with pinned updates and / commands that kick off playbooks. Here's your 30-day plan. Week 1, map 1 high-frequency incident and define owners. Week 2, pick 4 metrics and instrument them. Week 3, ship 1 automated enrichment and 1 dedup rule. Week 4, run a tabletop and commit 3 action items. Security isn't a hero sprint, it's a repeatable lap. Map it, measure it, and make the next lap faster. You'll still get 2 a.m. alerts, but you'll handle them like clockwork.